Welcome, here I've got Listo SP50 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Now we have to tap to this button above the shutter so we get access to more modes of this camera with the left side button. When we tap here, we can open the advanced camera settings. And now we have to find the photo settings category with the picture size at the first position. So when we tap on it, we can decide to pick the size, and this is connected with the quality of the picture in megapixels and aspect ratio. So you can pick whatever you need here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.